Time to Heal is now offering free online DIY tutorials that you can only join via timetoheal.net. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you get those notifications, those emails, those discounts. Our products are clean. Our products are organic, holistic, herbal, Mother Nature's goodness that she has given us. Comes to skincare, the Monroe Effect is our top-notch blockbuster seller that you can only get on timetoheal.net. We also give you the opportunity to purchase the clinical grade essential oils so you can make your own skincare. Explore our fabulous tincture collection. We have lymph and liver support, mineral health support. We have diabetic support, perimenopause support, PMS support, heart health tincture support, pain support, bronchial support, ADHD support, mushroom therapy. We have the skincare. Friends, there are so many tinctures that are 100% organic, holistic, clean, herbal, at your fingertips, affordable. Please join us at Time to Heal, Mother Nature's playground, for those holistic, clean remedies.